Imagine this for a moment. You wake up in the morning, you check your phone, and money has already come in. Not because you worked last night, not because you stayed late at the office, but because you built systems, assets, and opportunities that continue to work even when you are resting. That is the power of multiple income streams. And today, I want to talk about something that can completely change the direction of your financial life, why relying on only one income is risky, and how building multiple streams can accelerate your journey to financial freedom. The hidden risk of one income. Most people grow up with the same financial script. Go to school, get a job, work hard for 30 or 40 years, save a little money, and hopefully retire one day. But here's the problem. If your entire life depends on one paycheck, then your financial future depends on one source of control, one company, one boss, one salary. And if that income stops, everything stops. Your bills don't stop. Your responsibilities don't stop. Your family's needs don't stop. That's why depending on a single income stream is one of the most fragile financial positions anyone can have. Financial security isn't about how much you earn, it's about how many ways money can come to you. The wealthy think differently. Financially successful people rarely rely on only one income stream. Instead, they build multiple sources of income that support each other. Think about it like this. Imagine a table with one leg. It cannot stand, but if you add 4 legs, the table becomes stable. Your financial life works the same way. Your first income might be your job. Your second income might be investments. Your third income could be a small business. Your fourth income might be digital products, teaching, or property. The goal is not to replace your job overnight. The goal is to build additional streams slowly and intelligently. The why multiple income streams accelerate freedom. There are 3 powerful reasons why multiple income streams create freedom faster. 1. They increase your total income. The first advantage is simple. More streams mean more earning potential. Let's say your job pays $800 per month, but you start a small side income that earns $200 per month. Now your total income becomes $1,000. If you add another income stream earning $300 per month, your total becomes $1,300. This extra money can be used to invest, save, pay off debt, start another business, build assets. Each new income stream becomes fuel for the next opportunity. They protect you from financial shocks. Life is unpredictable. Companies close, industries change, unexpected expenses appear. If one income disappears, many people fall into financial crisis. But when you have multiple income streams, one loss does not destroy your entire financial life. One stream slows down, another stream continues. This creates something incredibly powerful: financial resilience. You are no longer living on the edge. You are building stability. The real goal of multiple income streams is not just working more, it's building income that works without you. Active income requires your time, but passive income continues even when you are not working. Examples include investments, rental income, digital products, online content, royalties, and automated businesses. These streams start small, but over time they grow, and eventually something incredible happens. Your income is no longer limited by your hours. The slow and smart strategy. Here is an important truth. Building multiple income streams is not about rushing. It is about building step by step. Start with stability. Protect your main income. Then begin experimenting with small opportunities. Learn new skills. Invest small amounts. Build something that can grow over time. Your first extra income might only earn $50 a month. That's okay, because it is not just $50. It is proof that you can create income outside your job, and that changes your mindset forever. The mindset shift. Financial freedom begins with a shift in thinking. Instead of asking, how can I earn a bigger salary, start asking, how can I create more income streams? Instead of thinking only about working harder, start thinking about building smarter. Instead of depending on one opportunity, start building many small opportunities. Because wealth rarely comes from one single breakthrough. It comes from consistent small actions repeated over time. Imagine your future. Imagine a life where your income comes from many directions. Your job provides stability, your investments provide growth, your side business provides opportunity, your digital work produces income while you sleep. Suddenly, life feels different. You are no longer trapped. You are no longer dependent. You have options, and options are the true definition of financial freedom. Final message. Financial freedom is not about becoming rich overnight. It is about building a system where money continues to flow even when you are not working every hour of the day. So start small, start learning, start building. One income stream, then another, and over time you'll realize something powerful. Your future is no longer controlled by a single paycheck. It is supported by a network of opportunities you created yourself. And that is how multiple income streams create financial freedom faster.